Hey, what's up everyone? It's your boy, MKBHD, back with another exciting unboxing. Today we're diving headfirst into the world of the Neo GT6. This phone has been making waves online, and for a good reason. People are calling it a budget beast, and we're here to see if it lives up to the hype. Can you get flagship features without the flagship price? Let's find out. Okay, first things first, let's talk about the unboxing experience. The Neo GT6 comes in a sleek black box with minimal branding. Inside, you get the phone itself, front and center. Underneath, we've got a USB-C cable for charging and data transfer, your standard stuff. And here's a pleasant surprise, a fast charger. In a world where many companies are ditching chargers, Neo throws one in the box. Now let's talk about the phone. Picking it up, the first thing you notice is the build quality. The Neo GT6 boasts a premium glass back with a matte finish that feels incredibly nice in hand. No slipping and sliding around here. The camera module on the back is neatly integrated and houses some impressive lenses, but more on that later. Time to bring this bad boy to life. Pressing the power button, the 6.7-inch AMOLED display lights up instantly. We're running the latest version of Android here, with a clean and minimal user interface. No bloatware in sight, which is always a plus. Scrolling through the menus, everything feels buttery smooth, thanks to the 120Hz refresh rate. Under the hood, we've got the powerful Snapdragon processor and a beefy battery that promises all-day battery life. In my brief time with the Neo GT6, I'm already impressed. Apps open quickly, the camera captures some fantastic shots, both with the main lens and the selfie camera, and the display is a joy to look at. Based on these first impressions, the Neo GT6 seems like it offers incredible value for its price. But this is just the beginning. Let me know in the comments down below what features you'd like me to test out in a full review. Peace out.